Meet Alyssa. Since Halloween is coming up, she is going to be pranking her sister Jen, and Jen is addicted to her phone, so it is pretty easy to prank her. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I got braces. I actually vlogged the day that I got braces, so I will link that vlog down below. I'm going to have braces on for the next 2 years, so yay! So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some DIY Halloween pranks, and I hope you guys find this video funny and entertaining. I'm not like a comedy channel, but I just thought this was fun to film. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you enjoy meeting my sister Jen. Today's post notification shout out goes to this person. Let's get started with this DIY Halloween pranks video. Look what I have. It's a bowl of worms. Yum. If I can do it, so can you. Ew, what is this? You really thought I'd fall for this, Alyssa? I brought us some waters. Here you go. Aw, thanks. Nice try, Alyssa. I have to use the restroom. Okay. Alyssa! What? Really? Hey, so I feel really bad for pranking you all day, so I made you a hot dog for dinner and chocolate cake pops and truffles for dessert. Thank you, finally. Ew, Alyssa, is this even a hot dog? This looks disgusting. You really think I'm gonna eat this? Well, at least you made me chocolate. Thank you so much. You know chocolate's my favorite. Is this even a truffle? Ew, this is chocolate covered Brussels sprouts. Are you kidding me, Alyssa? I am so done with your pranks. You're so easy to prank. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY Halloween pranks video. I know it's a little bit different than what I would normally post on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will talk to you guys in Saturday.